How to change Instagram notification sound. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I will show you the easiest way on how to change your sound for your notifications on Instagram. So keep on watching. The first step is going to your settings. From here you will have to scroll down until you have apps, which is here. Click on that. Now you can either scroll down until you find your Instagram app, or you can just click on this search icon from the right top corner and search for Instagram. Click on the app. Now go to notifications, the first option. Then click on notification categories, which is at the bottom. From here you can see that we all have all notifications: Instagram Direct, Instagram Direct requests, Instagram Direct video chat. So we will have to click on this option right here. It has to be turned on. Now scroll down, make sure it's on the alert option. Then click on sounds from here. And here you have all of your sounds, which are many. And then you can select what sound you like this. So guys, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer to your questions as quickly as possible and help you out. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.